Baby, it's cold outside, and that's the perfect reason to make a delicious, ooey gooey dessert. 1 part strawberry, 1 part rhubarb, all flavor-packed goodness. And the best part, it's diabetic friendly. So if your sweet tooth is talking to you, tell it. We're making a Bubblin strawberry rhubarb cobbler in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
This week we're looking at ways to either eat better or trim a few pounds. And as we all know, that's no easy task. That's why I want to share a warm-you-up cozy dessert from our latest diabetic-friendly cookbook. It's a Bubblin strawberry rhubarb cobbler that comes together in no time and is ADA approved. We start with some strawberries, and right now they're coming from Florida at prices that you might expect to find in the summer. And we mix them with a good amount of fresh or frozen rhubarb and some honey. We give it a good mix, then spoon it into ramekins or a small baking dish. For the best part, we finish these with a crumbly butter tasting topping, which is simply some oatmeal mixed with a little brown sugar or brown sugar substitute, a bit of cinnamon, and some margarine. Pop these in the oven, and when the whole house smells amazing, you'll know they're done. These are a tasty way to warm everyone up on a cold winter night. Between the piping hot combo of the berries and rhubarb and the crumbly oatmeal topping, you'll want to cozy up with this all month long. To get the recipe for our bubbling strawberry rhubarb cobbler, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a guilt-free, comforting way for you to say, ooh, it's so.
That looks delicious. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.